If your Govee lights aren't connecting to Wi-Fi, it can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to control them through the app and nothing responds. You might see connection errors, the device failing to show up, or it connects briefly and then drops. This usually happens because of network compatibility issues, incorrect setup steps, or temporary glitches with the app or router. One of the most common reasons is using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, which many smart lights don't support. The good thing is that most connection problems can be fixed quickly once you check a few key settings. After going through the right steps, your Govee lights should connect smoothly and stay stable. Try these. Step 1. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth and location services on your phone. Step 3. Reset your Govee lights. Step 4. Open the Govee app and add the device again. Step 5. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password carefully. Step 6. Restart your router and phone if the connection still fails.